Welcome to another great day for moving our bodies. Let's move for 10 minutes or so in dynamic ways to see if we can't continue this amazing consistency and discipline as we build strength, mobility, balance, and so much more in short but effective sessions. Yesterday was all about finding meaning and purpose. Today, let's just move with wonder and awe. I have a beautiful bench nearby, so you know you're gonna need a chair so we can do a few sit to stands. Because strong legs, sharp mind, long and happy life. Excellent. Okay, now everything goes the other way. Step to the side, arms out nice and big, cross them over your body. Begin to connect to your breath. Real deep, intentional breaths. Find the movements that suit you today, as I wouldn't mind trying a couple things that maybe will challenge you. Some balancing moves, some strength building movements. I was gonna say exercises. We don't exercise here. We move our bodies because movement is a privilege, not a punishment. I'm extra fired up already today. I don't know why. I'm just happy we're all here together, moving our bodies. What could be grander? All right. Gently, let's squat down and just shift our body weight from side to side. Come up off your heel. We can come into prayer and twist just a little bit. Get a little playful with this movement. Maybe a little bouncy, an extra spring in our step. Mindful, intentional movements so that we can move more as we age with vigor, vitality, joy. Okay, well done. Last one here. Step to the side. Simple, accessible, but swing your arms very intentionally. A little bit of pace. Let's get the heart rate up here. Tap that toe, lift that leg up. Feel it in your whole body. Maybe a little bit of wow. Wow, look what I can do. Man, we do take things for granted. We can move our bodies. We woke up today, got to breathe the fresh air. Hallelujah. I think I may have just heard a woodpecker. Maybe he'll come by for a visit. All right, one more here and there. Grab your chair. Sit to stand. Sit comfortably, rise up, swing your arms back, head up high. This movement is truly remarkable. Functional movements so we can get in and out of our chairs until the very last day with strength and confidence in our bodies. Wherever you're at, it's great. Maybe you need a little assistance. Maybe this is all you can do. No problem. You're just not there yet. You keep showing up, you'll get there. One more. While we're here, come up onto the balls of your feet. Look ahead. Wow. Just hold it, engage the core, the entirety of your trunk. Oh, do you see the squirrel? Squirrels. Stay on the balls of your feet. Don't get distracted, but watch the squirrels. Okay. Hopefully won't disrupt them too much. On the back of your chair, mountain climbers. These are great on the floor, against the wall. You can just drive your knee to your chest talked yesterday about doing hard things just so that we can climb 5 flights of stairs, carry our groceries home, carry our neighbor's groceries home. Pick up the pace if you can. Maybe the back of your couch or countertop. Truly a wonderful exercise. Strength, cardiovascular endurance. But let's challenge ourselves here. Do your best. Let's go. Come on. I'm feeling it too. We got it. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know why it's so funny. Okay, let's slow things down. Watch me connect to our breath. Squat down ever so gently. Bring your hands up. Circle the hands. Bring them together. Breathe in and out. Head up high. Just notice. Listen to the birds and the squirrels. There's definitely a woodpecker nearby. One more. Oh, well done. Drive in your heel. Reach your hand across your body and try to touch your toe. Endurance, strength, beautiful flexibility here. There's a lot happening today. Wow. Look what we can do. And if you can't touch your toes, you can touch your shin, your knee, your thigh. It truly is about the consistency over intensity. Just keep showing up. And the sky really is the limit. Ooh, let's slow it down. Hold it for a moment. Yeah, hold it there. Last one to each side. Hold it. Hold it. Nicely done. And we're here. Oh, yes. Let's finish with a balancing exercise that I truly love because of its simplicity. Leg comes up, arms go out. Other side. Simple, not necessarily easy for all of us. Some days balance is much better than others. Why? I don't know. Just embrace the mystery of all of it. If you'd like to close your eyes, I invite all challenges. Push yourself, yeah. Keeping your eyes closed the entire time really is very challenging. How great. Just do your best. Find your own flow here. Last one on each side. Hold it. Last one. Okay. Let's get to the spot. That's what we want. And then maybe we can close our eyes. Well done. Oh, let's just stand together for a moment. Let's just put all of our attention on the sounds. Your mind wanders off what you're listening to. Just notice and bring it back to the birds, to the squirrels. And let's just be and notice. I hope you feel as good as I do. Let me know. Let's keep inspiring each other. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.